So article number 5, the first article under part 2 of the Indian Constitution deals with article number 5. So article number 5 says about, in fact, the domicile based citizenship. What do you mean by domicile? Domicile. Domicile means it is homeland. Okay, homeland. That means this person needs to have a residence within the territory of India. Okay, domicile means it is just a home. That's it. The homeland will be India. That is what is domicile. Now, what is the condition? So we are speaking about who will be identified as citizens of India in 1950 on the commencement of the Constitution. Okay, so you should understand, you should always keep this in mind. In 1950, Jan 26, who will be the citizens of India? That is going to be answered here. So first condition is that he should have a domicile in India. Fine, domicile in India. Plus he is born in India. Fine. So condition number 1 is that a person who has domicile in India, and if that person is born in India. So which India we are speaking about? See, this India is as per the Government of India Act of 1935. Are you getting this? That is, we are speaking about pre-partition India. Fine. So this is India. Fine. So here you have, in fact, the part which has got divided as Pakistan, part which has got divided as Pakistan. So suppose if this is the India as per Government of India Act of 1935, on the commencement of the Constitution, that is in January 26th of 1950, if a person has got domicile in India and that person is born anywhere in India, fine, anywhere in India, he will automatically recognized as the citizen of India. Fine, that is on Jan 26, 1950, he should have a domicile in the present India. But if he would have been born in anywhere in India as per the Government of India Act of 1935, he will be automatically recognized as the citizen of India. Sir, if I am not born in India, I can't be the citizen of India. Yes, you have another choice, because what you see here is or, isn't it? Or, which means this is condition number 1, domicile and born in India. Otherwise, domicile and either of your parents born in India, which means suppose you have got a home in the present India. You were not born in India. Either of your parents were born in India according to the 1935 Government of India Act, which means in unpartitioned India, either of your parents were born. Are you getting this? Either of your parents were born in unpartitioned India and you have a domicile on Jan 26th of 1950 in India. Domicile is compulsory. You should have at present a domicile in India. Now, if you are born in undivided India, that is enough. If you are not born, at least your parents are born in India, that is enough. Fine. So if you are born, good. Either of your parents born in India, that is fine. Otherwise, if you have a domicile in India and you are an ordinary resident in India 5 years prior to the commencement of the Constitution, which means, say for example, from 1945 to 1950, if you are an ordinary resident in India and you have a domicile in India, congratulations, you are automatically citizens of India. Clear? Any doubt? The condition is that, the compulsory condition is that, now that is when the Constitution is on the commencement, you should have compulsorily a domicile in India. If you have a domicile, then we are going to check another condition. And what is that condition? Whether you are born in India, fine. If you are born in India, you will be automatically citizen of India. If you are not born in India, then also you can be the citizen of India. How? If either of your parents needs to be born in India. If you are not born in India, your parents are not born in India, then the third condition can be checked up. That is, if you are ordinarily resident in India, 5 years prior to the commencement of the constitution and you have a domicile in India, fine, you will be recognized automatically as the citizen of India. Clear? Fine.